Hello everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
Today we are going to the St. James General Store.
The St. James General Store is located in St. James, New York on Long Island.
It is said to be the oldest continuously operating general store in the United States.
It was built by Ebenezer Smith in 1857, and it quickly became the hub of the local community.
Local residents purchased fabric, sewing supplies, kitchenwares, medicine, shoes, tobacco, groceries, hardware, and many other things from the store.
The St. James Post Office was also located within the store, which made it a central meeting place where residents gathered to wait for the mail and to catch up on local gossip.
There were parties, dances, and seasonal events held in the large room upstairs.
The first telephone in the village was installed in the store, which made it even more of a community center.
Ebenezer's son, Everett Smith, inherited the store from his father and ran it until 1940 when he passed away.
His father-in-law, Carl Erickson, then became the storekeeper and maintained the store until he was 90 years old.
In 1959, Louise and Andrew Havrisky saved the store from becoming a residence and maintained the business.
In 1980, John and Eleanor Oakley purchased the store because they were concerned that this landmark would become destroyed or misused.
In July of 1990, the store was purchased in a joint preservation effort between Suffolk County and New York State, who bestowed a grant to the county to make the purchase possible.
It has been owned and operated by the Suffolk County Department of Parks and dedicated to the Suffolk County Historical Trust since then.
It is also listed on the National Register of Historic Places.
The store has remained structurally unchanged since 1894.
The original counters, cases, post office, coffee grinder, tea canisters, potbelly stove, barrels, and many other items remain for visitors to look at and catch a glimpse of the 19th century.
Today, the St. James General Store is as much a museum as it is a store.
Grandpa and I like to visit at least once a year, usually in the fall. They sell lots of unique gifts, country-themed home decor, holiday decorations, vintage-style merchandise, kitchenware, tableware, kitchen gadgets, candles, local honey, homemade candies, and more.
There is an old-fashioned toy store in their back room which sells just about every kind of classic old-fashioned style toy you can think of, like marbles, jacks, yo-yos, spinning tops, tea sets, dolls, and much more.
The back room also contains fashion accessories and cute pet-themed home decor.
Walking through the back room leads to the original narrow and steep staircase, which leads to the upstairs room.
Rumor has it that these stairs are sometimes haunted by a small girl which can be heard crying at times. She has also been seen by the counter in the main room of the store.
The upstairs room is their book department, which sells a wonderfully curated selection of books about seasonal topics, local history, cooking, crafts, art, gardening, camping, and more. Rumor also has it that sometimes ghosts like to knock books off of the shelves at night.
There is also a room which is a Christmas shop, but it was not yet opened when we visited.
All of the shelves and counters are very old and original to the store.
You can see how well worn the stairs and original flooring are.
There are lots of old-fashioned candies sold at the main counter.
And lots of antiques to observe and admire.
We purchased several gift items, some old-fashioned licorice sticks, as well as some interesting cookbooks.
Grandpa relaxed in the rocking chair on the porch outside and enjoyed his candy while I took one final look around.
They even have the old hitching posts where people used to hitch their horses.
And an old cider press where they used to make fresh ciders.
And a very, very old scale.
They don't allow outside food or drink. No pets, no large bags, and they don't provide a public restroom.
So if you visit, plan accordingly for that.
We enjoyed our visit and hope you enjoyed coming with us. I want to show you one of the items I bought at the St. James General Store. This is called Maudie's Super Squash Scooper. I've never seen this before, and since Grandpa and I like to eat a lot of squash, I thought I would buy this and try it out. Here I have half of a spaghetti squash. So let's see if it works. Here I go. Oh, this is nice. It's working very good. So that was easy. I think it did a good job. It worked much better than when I just use a spoon. I'm very happy that I purchased this little gadget and I will be using it often. I don't know if you could see the back, but it says Made in the USA. We like to support American products that are made in the USA.